What's going on, you guys? The 524 4888 band, and today's video is about a new camera. This is a Sony HD Handycam. Right there. I've had this since last year. It records good, but it's not that good HD wise. But the camcorder I'm going to get, which is the little flip thingy like that, the one I am going to get probably a couple months is going to be a Canon Vixia HFR 500 HD flash memory camcorder white. And I'll try to show you guys. It's right there. Oh, fuck. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if I can or not. Put the link up in the description. I haven't done that for a while, but it's $199.99. $100 off $300. So it's a pretty expensive camcorder. I can get it in white or black. I don't know which one would be better. Oh, black's cool. Might get black, but yeah, I might get a black one because this one's black too. But it's a good camera. That for a year, it works great, but it's not that good HD wise. It won't like crystal clear HD. Check out my other channel, the 524 4888 band. Oh, I'm on the wrong channel, but anyway, I don't know. Wait, no, never mind. I'm on the wrong channel. Anyway, that's what's going on. Check out my videos. I'm putting some racing videos up, so maybe I get more subscribers. Maybe 16, 20, 22 would be great, but I need more subscribers if you guys want to go in depth of a really good racing channel. Like, subscribe, comment, rate, and congratulations. Yeah, I'm saying congratulations to Joey Logano winning yesterday's Camping World Truck Series race. But today's Martinsville race is going to be the either 5, 24, 48, 88, right there. Hope he wins it. Remember that number. He's going to be... He's finished third last year, and he finished first in the fall race. Watch out for those guys. Hendrick Power.